got a very important message on my mobile from Mary Ann
So did
to
I.
say there are speed cops on the other side of Golf Street. Honestly. So, if you're driving down the road, just be very careful. We now come to the penultimate, or even the second last song, which is Mollapanzore, which I'm going to do. Can I say that this week and yesterday especially have given me the most enjoyment I've had in the last 15 months. I really appreciate all the very sincere wishes that everybody gave us. Thank you very much. Right. Now, this is a song about a mountain and deer. That's the picture, right?